Hi people, today I found a useful video tutorial. I did proper research what to do if you encounter strange behavior of the knife tool, because sometimes it may not snap properly. First option I found out from video tutorials, online research. There's option like customize, preferences. In view art, there's like pixel selection radius. After when I decreased it to value 7, my knife tool started to act a little bit normal. You can see the difference when I cut polygons. But now I will show to you if I increase in customized preferences, if I in view art option, if I increase pixel selection pixel radius, my knife tool will become strange. You can see it snaps to polygon edges a little bit strange. It doesn't act properly. This is first option what you can use. So use lower value. Another thing is, which was helping me in utilities, I use the Resec X form. This was helping me when I had the issue with bevel tool, so I couldn't bevel edges of the polygon. You can see I use the boolean tool to cut holes in the object. But after that, I had to apply Resec X form. You can convert to edit polygons. Another thing you can use is when you go to customize unique setup. Different metrics. You can use different metric, and because this is important, because 3ds Max will think if object is small or big. This could help you. Centimeters, meters, kilometers. What will happen if I use kilometers? I'm very curious. I wonder if my knife tool will act strange. I would rather to use millimeters instead. Another thing that you can use, let me to go to object mode. Actually, I am in object mode. You can try to reset a transform scale. Also, someone mentioned in one of his video tutorials, for example, if you use a new scene, you can also try to merge, import, merge. Because some people claim that solution help them to fix issue of the knife tool when you cut objects. I think 1 second helped me a lot. Pixel selection radius. Done a great job because my knife tool doesn't act weird. Also, you can try also modifier, edit normals. Check if your normals are displayed properly. But on the other hand, I will have to check modifier smooth because not everything I like when I try to model like that. I wonder what would happen if I use smooth modifier. Okay, I will remove this. The reason is because it is also important how your normals are facing, what direction they are facing, because a knife tool may not work properly if your normals aren't displayed properly. I just wanted to check something. Show handles. You can still manipulate your normal, but you can see what happens. I don't think you would be able to select vertex. So this is why I showed it to you. This, I consider it to be important. You can modify your normals. Okay. I don't know if bevel tool, but pay attention how bevel tool will act. Cut. Oh, nothing happened wrong. But before, because we use Boolean modifier as well, but the best option is to check pixel selection radius, modifier reset X form, normal modifier, customize unit setups, and option called merge. I hope that it would help you to fix issue with knife tool. I like this program because I was working I was working in 3D graphics as a hobbyist since 2006, and in that time Blender wasn't so great. It wasn't as good as it is now. It was lacking lots of features, lots of important tools, and the interface of the Blender program was very old, outdated, and how to say in English, I forgotten one important word. But Blender gets vector. This application, I don't know, I still prefer Blender. It lacks some important tools like Boolean intersect. So you can use Boolean tool in edit mode. Okay, let's check our object. But because it is long history for me when I use it for modeling this tool. Also, it is using a lot more resources of your computer. You can see I have got like 55, 56 gigabytes of RAM, but I haven't got anything in the scene, and look how much RAM it is using. But I'm using OBS Studio, but only when you open application it will eat up to 8 gigabytes of memory, uh, or 5 gigabytes. Comparing to Blender, Blender doesn't use too much resources unless you turn all materials on. Chamfer. Let's check how does chamfer work. We haven't got any issues with our chamfer tool. I wouldn't use chamfer here because I would rather to add some additional segments like cut. On the other hand, this new version you can customize the keyboard shortcuts, but I don't want to talk today about that because this video tutorial was about knife tool. Okay, we will have to check our knife tool. How does this perform after when I add extra edges? I must check. Oh, actually, not too bad. I thought it would act weird, but I think this option is fixing all of the options what I showed to you. They have fixed my problem. Alt H. No, I can't do that. I just was hiding the wall to show to you what I'm building. Big palace. You can see how many windows I will have in that big palace. I wish I had had that big house in England or in Poland. Very tiny house. There are very tiny houses in the UK. Never mind, I have to finish video tutorial. See you.